This Wall Street Bet Reddit user, Jari Ape, lost $31,586.98. It might not seem like a lot to many people, but you know, $31,000 can buy you a new car. And he says, I can't stop losing. Started March 2019, immediately putting a couple of grand into a certain cryptos. Shortly after, learned about options trading. Kept putting paycheck after paycheck into random stock options, and nothing I ever did worked. I know this is a me issue. I'm just really disappointed in myself over the length I've been doing this. Please just don't tell me to quit. You know I won't. I don't think it's a his issue. It's just because there's so many people out there only show their gains. And yes, you can make a lot of money with options, but no one ever shows their losses. You can lose money very, very quickly. And you know, the market has been extremely volatile. So what happened to all of those people that have bought call options at the beginning of the year? I'm talking about Leaps. Leaps 1 year out on Nvidia, Tesla, any of the big tech stocks, or any stocks for that matter. Triple Q, SPY, oh, they are down huge. And don't get me started on selling options. People are saying it's still a good strategy. No, if you had, let's say, sold a put option, okay, on SPY when it was trading at $600, you sold a put for $550. What happened? SPY goes down. Now you might get assigned 100 shares of SPY. That's a lot of money and a lot of losses. So again, no strategy is safe in this extremely volatile market unless you buy puts. But even puts nowadays are very expensive because the VIX is so high. And here we go. And this person lost buy SPY 529 puts. Whoa, 1045? He spent $10,000, 10 contracts. Yeah, that's insane. Oh, shoot, I forgot. Here we go. And yeah, see, he lost money there. Lost $3,000. Even puts, you cannot be safe. Before and after. MSTR down 15,000. He was up 15,000. Whoa, 44,000 trading P&L. You can see a lot of these people are buying calls, but even buying shares, you will still lose money. Look, I quit. Options ain't for me. SPY for 542 calls. April 15, expiration date. Every single day he has lost. And it's, again, it goes back to options. Options, another person with options. Nvidia 120 calls. Ooh. Wow. And these are so expensive. Again, you see, bottom March 26 and expiration dates in a year. He's down 1,482. Well, guess what? Nvidia is down today. And so, I don't know. Whoa. Two strategies. Meta 554 calls and Meta 542.5 calls. He's down $23,000. Okay. And these actually expire today and next week. Ouch, 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 ouch. Got in, out, and on Meta. I didn't realize about the antitrust case on Mark Zuckerberg. I had a chance to cut the losses. Guess not anymore. Let's see what people have to say about this. Watching people lose money because of gambling turns me on. Yikes. Same, keep the loss posts coming. Actually, the regarded factor isn't level 11 because Meta was supposed to have some issues with regulatory compliance and possibly be broken up. All this true, but didn't Zuckerberg attend Trump's coronation? I thought that was a sign that Trump would personally kill the antitrust case going after him. And you can see it is at 510. Why would you buy calls when there is some FTC going on? That's the consequence for not checking the news before. I should have sell at 537 today to minimize my losses, but just waiting to get my money back now. It's not even worth doing. You invested $50,000 in Meta without checking the news. Ooh, that is crazy. Okay. Yikes. Yikes. Overnight position. Whoa, okay, this person lost 153,000. Updated positions as of April. So road to a million hit a slight speed bump, delayed 2 to 3 days. Wow, this is crazy. Again, calls, right? Calls, puts. We just don't know which way it's going to go. Wow. I gotta look at this again. $158,000 in just 1 week. Oh, your portfolio is shaped like the front of Thomas the Train. Kamikaze Cash Guy has a video that starts with, "And the typical Wall Street bets, the generates portfolio looks like the castle from Frozen." Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And this is why we try to stay away from options. I have a hard time staying away from options because we love the high it gives us when we're making money. Let me know, are you making money